Pacific Basin, and it is lighting up as well. We have more named areas that we're watching. Of course, Hawaii facing back-to-back weekends with tropical impacts. We, of course, had Hurricane Lala that you'll remember. And then, of course, this past weekend, it was all about Tropical Storm Moke. So let's jump into it and show you the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 areas that we're watching. My goodness. The Pacific, again, just lit up. And a couple of things that I want to localize and focus in on is the fact that Lala is out to sea. So right here, not a huge concern as we speak. You look at Moke, right there, tropical, what was a tropical storm is now moving toward the west. So I think its impacts on Hawaii are lessening. We do, though, have our newest tropical storm. This was just named yesterday, by the way, and is Tropical Storm Iselle with winds at 60 miles per hour. And Britt, I'll bring you into this conversation. I think that the impacts from this are going to be, if you are in beautiful Cabo San Lucas, Mexico.
Yeah, the
West
Baja.
Coast, yeah, Mazatlan, Mexico right here. You may be seeing some higher surf. Other than that,
I think that's pretty much
same.
Which, given the fact of your location, the odds of having high surf is kind of big this time of year with coastal storms and the potential for tropical trouble. Farther down in the forecast period, after we get through Iselle, there's areas of interest that do show maybe more of an impact to the Baja, maybe the southwest of the U.S., but look at those waves, you know, the biggest ones, of course, staying offshore. But there we go, another one right on its heels. I mean, the computer models are full of storm. I mean, the East Pac's been on fire. The computer models are showing that that's going to continue. The trends support that as well. So, you know, this will be the hot spot to watch.
Yeah, 91E right here, we're also watching. The interesting thing is I think that the moisture from Invest 91E is actually going to get sucked up into
Iselle. I think it's going to starve the system.
Exactly.
But that spot, the one on the heels of Iselle, I think that has a chance of pulling together to becoming the next named storm, which would be Julio.
Yeah, we'll watch it carefully, that's for sure.
It's going to be busy for the Eastern Pacific.